It's everything we hoped it would be, and it was kind of like a stepping stone. It gives a peek into the future, I think, of teaching.
When I came and heard this for the first time, there was nobody at the grounds, and I was blown away just by the clarity of the speakers. We were actually able to get good tangible audio right down the back of the field. So, you know, really, really happy with the solution.
So I think technology is a really important enabler in this space. It's a beautiful space to work in. It inspires creativity, it inspires critical thinking. The college has had a long and productive relationship with Videopro over many years within the college and across many projects, and this one probably being the most elaborate of all of those.
We've been working with Videopro over a number of years, actually, over some different projects. They have a good understanding of our requirements, and we've had a really good appreciation of the capability and the areas of expertise that Videopro bring to the table. So it's been a really good relationship.
I'd been working with Videopro a long time through previous schools I'd worked at. So initially, I was just looking for a partner that was able to deliver in a timely manner and be able to build a relationship, and that's definitely what we've done over the years with Videopro.
Videopro were fantastic. Everything was supplied. It was up and running on the day that we needed it to, and it all worked.